Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera, use volume up for burst shot on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in settings, scroll down and then tap on camera. Then tap on the use volume up for burst toggle button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is switched on, you can now use the volume up key to make burst shot. So here, if I launch the camera app, I can press and hold on the volume up key, and you can see this will start to make the burst shots. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.